Oh. Yes.
Wasibuto.
Okay, madam.
Nweje bali.
Thank you so much.
Nyemwe abazyo bakwesire.
Yeah, but it's not problem.
Wanji?
Yeah, but it's not problem. You're in your language.
Nubagira ngu webale emirumo.
Oh, but let me.
Though we
Oh,
also borrowed that word. Konkiti teba kugira ngu gyebale. Niwe nogaruka moti gyebale. It's the Baganda who first say Mbukale. Then they the Baganda say Jevareko. But for us, those who borrowed it, they say Ngujevari. And you reply it in your Jevari. Okay.
Did you reply?
Niwe Jevari.
Okay.
But the Baganda expect you to first say Kale. Okay. So we can start tutandike. Now we are still continuing with the past tense. We have a word like this verb stem ita, quita. Quita means to kill. So in the past tense it will change to side. So like you may say bamwisire. Bamwisire means they killed him. They killed him. Bamwisire. They killed him. If I want to say that omwisire, you killed him, then I say omwisire. Then we have hata. Okuhata means to peel. In the past tense it becomes hasire. Can say hasire emondi. That means we peeled Irish potatoes. So that is okuhata in the past tense. And we have kuchumita. That is to spear. If I say kuchumita enyamishwa, that means to enyamishwa is a wild animal. Is an animal. Yes, enyamishwa is an animal. So kuchumita enyamishwa means to spear, because we used to have people who would hunt. So that is to spear an animal. But still people still use a spear. You can use a spear You can use any sharp object. Still it can spear. So that is what we call okutumita. Or a cow. A cow can use its horns and pierce. Actually, it can mean to pierce. Yeah, can mean to pierce. Maybe bamucumisire ari kwiba. That means they pierced him when he was stealing. They pierced him while stealing. That is okay. Where you find this word, you know it means piercing. Then we have bring, reta. Then it becomes resiri. If you want to ask a person, what did you bring? You say, resrechi. That person can say, ndesire oburo. Is meaning I brought millet. Oresrechi. And the person will reply ndesire, I brought. What did you bring? This one will say ndesire, I brought. Then we have call, okweta. So I can say bakwesire nyenchakare. That means they called you yesterday.
Nyenchakare is not tomorrow?
Oh yes, bakwesire yesterday. Okay, bakwesire nyo mwabazyo. Sorry, bakwesire nyo mwabazyo. Bakwesire nyo mwabazyo. They called you yesterday. Then you can also say banyesire. Banyesire nagenda. Banyesire nagenda. That means they called me and I went. Banyesire nagenda. They called me and I went. I can say, if you want to ask people how many visitors did you call, mwesere bangahi? Comes mwesere. Mwesere bahi. That means which, bahi is which people. Which people did you call? Mwesere bahi.
Bahi is which?
Bahi is which people. Mwesere bahi. Which people did you call? Now we go to Heather. We had seen this one, which becomes the herize. Aherize omurimo.
Maybe
Yes.
you talked about Heza. Heza is to finish, right?
Yes.
So yesterday my friend texted me and he was just a minute.
Yes.
So why then why no?
He said, repeat, garukamu.
He said I was telling him that I'm speaking the truth and it was like weza n'amazima.
Weza n'amazima. Weza means that it is different from waheza. Weza n'amazima, it is the truth. Mazima means truth. So weza it is. Weza n'amazima.
But you have Buzima and Mazima. Because I told him, remember Buzima, there was meaning, I'm speaking or I'm telling you the truth, okay? Then it was like Buzima Mazima. I didn't ask him what he was trying to mean. I decided to speak it for you.
Now, the word comes from amazima. Then there is buzima. So this amazima means truth. Then buzima is truly. Truly. Buzima. So if you said weza n'amazima, it is the truth. Amazima. Buzima. Buzima niwe. Truly are you the one? Someone asks you buzima niwe. And it's a question. Truly are you the one?
Okay. Now.
So we have this heza. Heza means to finish. Heza. And it means in the past it is herize. Aherize okushoma. That means he finished school. Like he finished studying. Aherize kushoma. Aherize kushoma. He finished.
Okay.
Aherize kukora. Aherize kukora. Meaning he finished working. Aherize kukora. Aherize kurya. Then we have astonish. Kutangaza. Kutangaza. So if I say that ekyokutangaza. Ekyokutangaza, it means something that is astonishing, that is amazing, or surprising. Something that is astonishing, surprising. So you will say antangarize. Antangarize. That means he astonished me. Antangarize. He astonished me, or he amused me. Assuming somebody asks you something that is okay, somebody does something which makes you to be surprised. So you say antangarize. Then we have raza. Kuraza is to blow. Kuraza is to blow out the fire, like to put out the fire. Blow out the fire or anything that lights, like a lamp. If I tell you razetara, raza etara, I'm telling you that put off that lamp.
The lamp. Raza candle.
Raza candle. So in the past it becomes rarize. If I say turarize omuriro, that means we put out the fire, or we blew out the fire, or we put off the fire. I say ararize etara. Ararize etara. That means ararize barabu. No, ararize etara. Meaning he switched off the lamp. He put off the lamp.
Okay.
Then kuguza. Kuguza is lend money and it becomes aguiza. Yes.
Yes, Mr. Lenin.
Hey, I'm hearing you. Kuguza. Okay. Kuguza is to lend money or to sell.
Kuguza?
Kuguza. Or to sell. So, if I say...
Okay. How do you use it? If you're lending money and... It's the same like... You said it's lending or sell?
It can mean to lend money or to sell anything.
Wow.
So if I want money, I will say nguza sente. Nguza sente. That means lend me money.
Nguza sente?
Yes. It is like lend me money. Now in the past, you will say, somebody can say, omugurize zingai, omugurize sente zingai. It can mean how much money did you lend him? though we normally use it when we are referring to items. We normally use it when we are meaning the items that have sold items. So you can say agurize enju zona. That means agurize, he sold, because gurize is in the past tense, is a past and is sold. So agurize zona, he sold all the houses. Agurize zona, agurize agurize ebintu byona, ebintu byona. That means he sold all the items. He sold all the items. Still, I can ask you that how much money did you sell? Did you get from your item? So I can say ente. Yes. Okay. You can do ente ogigurize zingahi. Yes. Yes, welcome. So,
I'm sorry, I had to.
it is okay, you can pick your call. Tugumizemu. So if I'm asking the person that how much money did you sell your house, I'll ask that enju ogigurize zingahi. Gurize ogigurize zingahi. Zingahi is how much. So that is how much money did you sell your house? How much money did you sell your house? Ogigurize zingahi. Emotoka ogigurize zingahi. Yeah. Then if it is to buy, this we shall see kugura. I think it is in front. kugura, it would be ojuguzire. Kugura, it will be ojuguzire zingahe. How much money did you buy your house? So there are more, because that one would be kugura, so it would be ogurize. I mean oguzire. But this one, which is to sell, it is ogurize. Ogurize zingahe. Now if you are wanting to mean that you bought, it would be ojiguzire. Enju ojiguzire zingahe. How much money did you buy the house? Aguzire ebintu byona. He bought all the items. We are going to see that word kugura. So we have hamya. Hamya is to confirm.
Hamya. It's to confirm.
Yes. Okuhamya. To confirm. Then if you want to mean that they confirmed him, you say bamuhamize.
Bamuhamize.
He was confirmed. They confirmed him. Bamuhamize.
Bamuhamize. If you're okay, confirm with me.
Confirm with me. Confirm with me. Okay, this is confirm, but it is having a limitation. Confirm with me, you may say mpamiza. 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 Confirm with me. That is mpamiza. But it is a different application with this one. Then we have vasa. This one we had seen it. Abasize. Abasize kuija. Abasize kuija. That means he was able to come. Kuija. Abasize kuija. He was able to come. Abasize kukora. Abasize kukora. He was able to work. Abasize kukora. He was able to work. If you want to mean, we shall see the negative. Tabasize kukora. That means he was not able to work. Tabasize. Tabasize. He was not able. Then timbasize. I was not able. Timbasize. It is timbasize. Timbasize. I was not able. Timbasize kukugambira. Kukugambira. I was not able to tell you. This is I was not able. I wasn't able to tell you. Then timbasize kukugambira. Timbasize kukuterera. That means I was not able to call you. Kutera is to call. Timbasize kukuterera. I was not able to call you. Okuterera means mainly to call on a phone. Timbasize kukuterera. Kuterera esimu. That means I wasn't able to call you on phone. Or it can be kutera. Timbasize kutera esimu. Or kuterera. But the best one is timbasize kukutera esimu. I wasn't able to call you on phone. Timbasize kukutera esimu. Then we have kwegesa. That is to teach. If you want to say he taught me. Anyegesize. Anyegesize kugamba Runyankore. Anyegesize. This jesize meaning that is he. Anyegesize. He taught me. Anyegesize. He has taught me to speak. Kugamba is to speak Runyankore. Anyegesize kugamba Runyankore. Runyankore. Then we have akanyegesa. Akanyegesa means he taught me. Akanyegesa, he taught me. So anyegesize. It is also anyegesize. He taught me. Anyegesize. Though akanyegesa is one for past. Akanyegesa, it is something that he did it in the very past, not in the near past. The near past, like yesterday, he said, anyegesize. He taught me. Then if he taught you long time ago, you say akanyegesa. Now we are in the near past tense, something that has just happened. So we say anyegesize. If you are telling a person, you say anyegesize kugamba Runyankore. He taught me to speak Runyankore. Then if it is in the past, you say he taught me. Akanyegesa. That means he used to do it a long time. Then koresa.
Wait, please. I
Mm?
will teach you.
I will teach you. That means I will teach you ninza kukwegesa. Ninza kukwegesa.
Oh,
I will teach you. Akanyegesa, he taught me.
okay.
Then nanyegesa. You can say nanyegesa. Nanyegesa means
Meaning,
yes.
meaning,
Nanyegesa. He is teaching me. He is teaching me. Nanyegesa. Then nimwegesa. Nimwegesa. That means nimwegesa. Nimwegesa. That means I am teaching him. I'm teaching him or I'm teaching her. Nimwegesa. Anyegesize. But anyegesize can also be he has taught me, because that is in the near, or he taught me. But you see, Runyankore, there is some, you see, it is all past tense, but then there is what we have as the past tense that is very near. Then we have the far, we are going to see it. Like this word of akanyegesa, when you're meaning in the past. Then we have koresa. This koresa, it is to use. Ninkoresa. Ninkoresa. I use. I use. Then some will say nkoresize. I used. Nkoresize. I used. Koresize. Koresize. We used. Mukoresize. That means you used. You used. Mukoresize. Mukoresize. Ente kuhinga. That means you use the animals to dig. Mukoresize ente kuhinga. You use the animals to dig. Mukoresize emotoka kutaha. You used a car to go home. Ninkoresa ekyeyerezo. That means to use a broom. I use a broom. Ekyeyerezo. Ekyeyerezo is a broom. Ninkoresa ekyeyerezo. Ninkoresa esimu. That means I use a phone. Ninkoresa esimu. Ninkoresa ki?
Ninkoresa pen okuhandika.
Ninkoresa akacumu. Ninkoresa akacumu. Akacumu, it is a small... Yes, a small spear. I think that's why we call it akachumu, because ichumu is a big spear. Then akachumu is a small spear, which in Swahili is called kalamu. So for us we call it, because it resembled the spear, so they called it akachumu. So you can proceed. Korwa. Korwa is be done. Now we have ebikorwa. This word ebikorwa means actions. If I say ebikorwa byawe, ebikorwa byawe, I'm meaning your actions. Yes, ebikorwa. Then if I say ebyakorwa, ebyakorwa means what has been done. Ebyakorwa. Ebyakorwa, what has been done. Ebyakorwa abantu, that means what has been done by people. Then ebikorwa, this is actions. If I say ebikozirwe,
Okay.
ebikozirwe ni bingi. Ebikozirwe ni bingi. That means what has been done. Ebikozirwe. What has been done ni bingi, meaning there are many. Many things have been done. Ebikozirwe ni bingi. Many things have been done. Have been done. Ebikozirwe ni bingi. This one I say the ebikorwa is actions. Then we have habwa, that is to be given. If I say nkahabwa ente, nkahabwa obwingi, that means nkahabwa obwingi. That means I was given knowledge. Nkahabwa obwingi. Then tuhirwe obwingi. Tuhirwe obwingi. Mpirwe obwingi. Mpirwe. So that is I was given. Mpirwe. That's why we have people being called Mpirwe. Mpirwe. I was given. Mpirwe. Mpirwe bitabo. I was given books. Muhirwe. Then we have terwa, that is bitten. Okterwa, it is to be bitten. Then in past it becomes atirwe. I can say atirwe abashuma, meaning he was beaten. Atirwe abashuma, he was beaten by abashuma is thieves. Atirwe is he. Is he. Then atirwe, that means he was beaten. Beaten by thieves. Atirwe abashuma. Atirwe enjoki. Enjoki is bees. Have you ever seen a person who has been beaten by bees? Omuntu otirwe enjoki. Enjoki is bees. Atirwe emotoka. Yes? Atirwe motoka, that is to be knocked. Atirwe emotoka, that means he was knocked by a car. Atirwe enjoka, he was bitten by a snake. Atirwe enjoki. Then I can say otirwe oha. Otirwe oha. That means I'm asking you that otirwe oha, you were beaten by who? Or who bet you? That is in case somebody otirwoha. Then I can say atirwe oruhi. atirwe oruhi. That means oruhi is when you slap a person, that one is called oruhi. When you slap, that slap is called oruhi. So I can say atirwe oruhi, meaning he was slapped. So we have some other words that you will meet and they mean other, like ondijo, omuntu ondijo. It only applies to people. Omuntu ondijo. Mu back class, this is for people. Omuntu ondijo. Ekitabo ekindi, the other book. Okundi. Okutu okundi. That means the other ear. Sorry. There's a class that is having ku, then it in, because we have okutu, then amatu. So okuto kundi. Okutu okundi. That means the other ear. Okutu is an ear. You're going to see these parts. Then obundi, and that is like other, next time. Obwiro bundi, next time. Ogundi, omuti ogundi, meaning the other tree. Obwire obundi. Then erindi, ihuri, erindi. So if there are many, it will become amahuri agandi. That is in their class, the eggs class. Then orundi, orunaku. Orunaku orundi. Orunaku is another day. Orunaku is a day. Orunaku. Orunaku orundi. That means the other next time. Akandi. Akantu. Akandi. That means the other thing. The other small thing. Now this endijo. Entendijo. These words that are not countable. They are the same. They are the same in plural and same in singular. They take up this, including money. No, endijo, entendijo, enkoke endijo, enju endijo, and means the other house. Here on ogundi, omurimo ogundi. Omurimo ogundi, that means the other work. The near past tense. We can now join our sentences and we see omuntu ondijo afire. That means another person died. Abantu abandi bajenzire. You remember abandi. Ondijo. In plural it becomes abandi. Abantu abandi bajenzire. So with this one, you can now make, we
How do
can,
you pronounce it?
ondijo. It looks like ondijo, but it's ondijo. Ondijo. So we can make sentences. Ekitabo ekindi kibuzire. So here we can make sentences as much as you want using those. Ekitabo ekindi kibuzire. Another book got lost. Ekitabo ekindi kibuzire. That means another book got lost. Got lost. Eshaho endijo. Eshaho endijo, because eshaho is uncountable. Eshaho endijo ebuzire. Another bag got lost. Eshaho endijo ebuzire. Another bag got lost. Got lost. So that is how we can make sentences from that. Now we have the far past tense. We were on the near past tense, we go to the far past tense. The far past tense, you describe an action which took place 2 or more days ago, be it many months or years. It is formed by fixing ka between the subject prefix and the verb. For example, we have a verb called okuzarwa, zarwa. This zarwa is a verb stem. Then we have o. O means you. So if you want to say that you were born, we say okazarwa. We have this word rya. Rya is to eat. This enemy is I. So I say nkarya. I ate. They bet. Vakatera. Mukahata. Mukahata. You peeled. Yet we saw in the near it was muhasere. Muhasere. That means you peeled. But if I want to talk it that long time ago, I say mukahata. We saw okuhinga in the near past tense was muhinjire. You dug, you cultivated. Okuhinga becomes muhinjire. So here in the past tense, the far past tense, we say this one akahinga would have said ahinjire. He cultivated. So now we say akahinga. Embwa ekanywa amate. Amate g'omwana. What do I mean? Embwa ekanywa amate g'omwana. Meaning the dog drank the child, drank milk of the child. Tukaryama. You remember in the previous it was tubyamire. So now it becomes tukaryama. And in the negative we put this word la. La, meaning if this one is okazarwa, so this in the past tense we have the word t beginning, and then in the middle we put la. Like we have this word zirwe. I want to negate this one, like tora zirwe. We saw this. You were born, okazarwa. Now we're going to see here how we put it. Now our verbs now become the other one, like rwe. They add this one which we are seeing in the past tense, in the near past tense, but we add la. So you were not born is torazirwe. You see, instead of we had oka zarwa. So this okazarwa, then ka. So what we do, this before this o we put t, and it becomes to. Then instead of ka we put la. Then this zarwa we make it zirwe. So we say tora zirwe. That is what this one means. Then we have okarja. What is it? It was nkarja. This nkarja will become, this any will become t. It will go to t. Then instead of la we shall put da, so it becomes tindarire. Devaho tinjini aho mukavera. Then we have tabarashashwire. They did not pay. Ti vara. So this ra is maintained here. Tabarashashwire. Ti varashashwire. No, it was. So in the positive it was baka. It was bakashashura. No, harwa kandi. Bakashashura. Bakashashura means they paid. They paid. Bakashashura. So if you want to say that they did not pay, this va we put t ba, then ka is la, then shashura becomes shashwire. Tabara shashwire. They did not pay. Now if you want to say they didn't pay me, how do you think we say it? Tabarashashwire. Tabarashashwire. Yes. Tabaranshashwire. Tibara. This any is the one that means that
The
They
what?
they did not pay me. They didn't pay me. Tibaranshashwire. Tibaranshashwire. Now we put this N because this N means me. Tibaranshashwire. If I want to mean that they did not pay you, I say tibarakushashwire. They did not pay you. If I want to say they did, this one is they did not pay you. Tibarakushashwire. So if you want to say tibaramushashwire, mu tibaramushashwire means they did not pay him. Tibaramushashwire. They did not pay him. Tibaramushashwire. So I think you are getting to know how to make negative but in the past tense. Now if you want to mean that they did not go, we say ti va tiva tivara genzire. Tivara genzire. That means they did not go. Yet in the sorry, so tivara genzire. That means if you want to say that they did not go, you say tivara genzire. Tivara genzire. Yet the positive word form of it is bakagenda. They went. They went. If you want to say they did not, you put T on ba, then ka becomes la, and it becomes tivara genzire. Genzire. They did not go. You know, one time I taught a student that it is now this student wanted to say they did not went. So it is they did not go to Varagensri. Vakashashura. They paid. Tivarashashwire. They did not pay. Assuming maybe somebody you ask him Bakashashura. If you put it as a question mark, it becomes did they pay? But if you say Bakashashura, then you want to say they did not pay, you say Tvarashashwire. We have another word, Timurahasire. You peered. You remember we saw Mukahata. So here it will become Timurahasire. This la and then this T and then this word that is added, this one of C. becomes Tmarahasre. You did not peel. Tarahinjre. He did not cultivate. It comes from akahinga. Akahinga is when you say he cultivated. If you want to say he did not, tarahinjre. Ta ra then njre. This ire. Tarahinjre. He did not cultivate. Teranyuire. We said it becomes ekanywa. So this a we put t if it is a vowel, because it is a vowel. That's why we don't put the t. Teranyuire. It did not drink. Taranyuire. Taranyuire mate. Taranyuire kintu kyona. Taranyuire kintu kyona. Meaning he did not drink anything. Taranyuire. Akanywa. Akanywa means he drank. So if you want to say he didn't drink anything, say taranyuire. He did not drink. Taranyuire kintu kyona. He did not drink anything. He didn't drink anything. Didn't drink anything. Then we have turabyamire. We didn't sleep. Titurabyamire. Titurabyamire. Yes. Tukabyama. We went to bed or we slept. We slept. Titurabyamire. We did not sleep. Titurabyamire. Titurashomire. If I say titurashomire, that means titurashomire. We did not study. We did not study. Or we did not learn. Titurashomire. We didn't study. Now, titurakozire. But if it is referring to one person, tindakozire. 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 Wanji? Tindakozire, I didn't work. Titurakozire. We didn't work. Then if you want to say I didn't study, you say tindashomire. So you see, there is a change. If you are meaning yourself, that this la becomes da. If you are talking about you, this la becomes da. and becomes tindashomire, tindizire, tindagenzire, tindarire, I did not eat, tindakozire, I did not work. Tindatinire, tindatine, tindatinire, I did not fear. Tindatinire, tindatinire. So I think we shall end there. We shall ntuza kuherezaho lesson yitu.
Okay.
Any questions? So obusinge bube niwe. Obusinge bube niwe. Kanjende kunaba. If I say kanjende kunaba. Kanjende kunaba. Kanjende. Let me go to shower. Waza kubyama kaki? Okay.